Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards without a phone number. First, open any browser and type Microsoft Rewards Bing. Or just go to rewards.bing.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Contact Microsoft Rewards Support. Now in the title box, type Redeeming Microsoft Rewards without phone number. Your name and email will be filled in automatically. Next, under What would you like assistance with? Choose Redeeming Points, then click Redeem Gift Card. At the bottom, there's a description box. You can explain that you can't redeem points because you don't have a phone number linked to your account. Once done, scroll down and click Submit. Microsoft will contact you soon and help you redeem your rewards manually. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more quick fixes. And I'll see you in the next one.